Moving on to Rajasthan, where a division bench of Rajasthan High Court has issued notice to the centre on a petition challenging the advisory issued by the Ministry of Information and Broadcasting banning television ads for condoms during prime time hours. The petition has been filed by an NGO known as Global Alliance for Human Rights, which has been working for the welfare of HIV-positive patients. This move came in after all TV channels were asked to not air condom ads between 6 a.m. and 10 p.m. Arvind joins me on this story. Arvind, a petition has been filed by the NGO Global Alliance for Human Rights after all the TV channels were asked not to air condom ads between 6 a.m. and 10 p.m.
Yes, definitely. This is the advisory issued by the Ministry of Information and Broadcasting on December 11, which has said that condom ads which are being aired by various channels are sensuous in nature and impacting children adversely. So the Ministry of Information and Broadcasting has advised channels that not to telecast these condom ads from 6 a.m. to 10 p.m. But after that, from 10 p.m. to 6 a.m. they were allowed to telecast these ads. But a petition was filed in the Rajasthan High Court by the Global Alliance of Human Rights, and they have argued that these condom ads also educate the society about the use of condom and its importance in family planning. And then the court today has asked the state ministries and issued notices to the Union Health Ministry and Union Ministry of Information and Broadcasting. What Rajasthan High Court has asked to these ministries that if the ads which are being telecasted by these channels are sensuous in nature, then there are rules to ban them altogether. But as far as the education part of these condom ads is concerned, court has opined that these are the process of the education which should go into the society. So the notices have been issued to the Union Ministry of Health and Union Ministry of Information and Broadcasting, and within 8 weeks from today onwards they will file their reply to the Rajasthan High Court, and then this matters proceeding will go on from now then.
Thank you, Arvind, for joining us with those details. Now listen into what Pratik Kastiwal, who is the counsel for the NGO, had to say.
This public interest litigation was listed before the Honorable Division Bench comprising of the Chief Justice, wherein we have challenged that the advisory issued by the Government of India on 11th of December advising all the broadcasters not to telecast the ad of condom from 6 a.m. to 10 p.m. is arbitrary. One, because in country like ours where there is a major problem of family planning and major people are being affected by HIV, rather NACO says now because of all this information there is a reduction. So why the government should not promote otherwise the usage of condom rather than stopping it? And if there is some particular company, those who are giving sensuous ads, independent exercise or inquiry can be done against them, which the law also provides. So a ban from 6 a.m. to 10 p.m. is quite arbitrary and dehones the law, and this is why the Honorable Court has issued notices to the Ministry of Information and Broadcasting and Ministry of Health, Union of India.
Who are the petitioner in this case? The
petitioner is an NGO who is working for the welfare of the patients affected by HIV, and the president himself is an HIV patient, and they are basically for the cause that the government should promote the measures so that there is a reduction in the number of the HIV patients.
So what will be the process now?
The court has issued notice, and the government will reply that whether the advisory is right and whether it is within the parameters prescribed by the rule and the constitution of the India. And if the court finds that they are dehones, then certainly it would be struck down, and if not, then we are where we are today.
When is the next day?
Now court has issued notices for 8 weeks, so hopefully the matter would come in January, end of February.